Veronica, you are chasing a story in Montgomery about an untimely death of a political giant in New Jersey and his wife. John and Joyce Sheridan passed away over the weekend. A lot of questions about what happened. What do you got?
There really are a lot of questions. I'm here in front of the home of John and Joyce Sheridan in Montgomery Township. Now, John was the CEO of Cooper University Health System, and he spent 40 years in New Jersey politics. I spent some time here in the neighborhood where there is still caution tape up around the house. You can see police still in and around the house. When this fire happened on Sunday morning, leading many to have questions about what actually happened here. And while neighbors wouldn't speak to me on camera, they did tell me that they have suspicions. One neighbor who moved into this community with the Sheridans back in 1980, she said that her and her neighbors, they suspect arson. To put a little context on the meaningful nature of John Sheridan across the state, I also chased this to Trenton, where I sat down with Dale Florio. Now, he was the former Somerset County Republican chair, and he had nothing but kind things to say.
I mean, as I said, John, kind of like Theodore Roosevelt, he carried a big stick, but he was a very quiet, understated man.
I also did confirm that the Sheridans were not smokers. That was definitely something that some wondered. Maybe there was just a lit cigarette in the bedroom. But from the people I spoke with today, everyone agreed that they were not a family that smoked.
In the case of my fire at my apartment complex, the police and the fire department had basically a good concept about what happened within 12 hours.
Bottom line is, this was a family that has, at least from all the reports that we hear, and I know John and Joyce's son, Mark, just from working in New Jersey politics, this is a guy with, it seems like, more friends than enemies, and I think it's just a sad, tragic loss. And I just want to ask Jessica, was there any reaction on social media?
Well, Cory Booker and Governor Christie, many politicians, they worked very closely with this man because he's almost 4 decades as a career politician, so they all got together on Monday to have a nice little talk about him.
He was a giant in the political and the healthcare world, and I just want to say, Mark, our thoughts and prayers are with you and your 3 brothers as you mourn this tragic loss. Hang in there.